Hi guys, in this video I will be demonstrating how to use Sellapy Niche Hub. The Sellapy Niche Hub is the social community page that actually help brands to tell their story, to tell their brand story, to make posts of their products, at the same time gather followers and be able to get likes and comments or feedback from their customers, and they can also run posts as well within their customers terrain. So let's explore it. If it's your first time using the Sellapy platform, you can either click on the explore niche hub link at the top bar, or you can navigate down to the niche hub section, which is the niche hub where unique brand drops and their hottest finds. You can just click on explore niche hub, then you are already on the niche hub page. So you can see at the top of the page, this is a typical example of a post from a store or from a brand owner. And the post you can like the way you like on Facebook or Instagram, and you can comment as well if you want to comment, and at the same time you can share your post as well. Aside from you getting a post, okay, as I was saying, aside from posting on the niche hub and receiving comments and like, there is another beautiful feature here which actually help you to tag your products directly. That means if you tell a story about a particular product and you post about it, you can actually just tag the buy now button on there. The buy now button helps your customer to shop directly from your post, instead of writing in the comment and asking you how can I purchase or how can I check out. You can just tag the button, buy now button there, and once your customer clicks on it, they will take them directly to the checkout page. This is one of the beautiful feature regarding the niche hub page. And not that alone, you can actually get your customers to follow your store, and at the end of the day you can start retargeting your customer who have followed your store, and you can start retargeting them when you launch new products. These are a typical example of what the niche hub is all about. And not that alone, and I think you can also run a poll. You can see, for example, where you can create a poll and people can vote within the niche hub regarding whatever poll you are running for your store or for your brand. These are features that you probably not see somewhere else. So if you are a seller on Sellapy, I will advise you to use this niche hub often. Once you just create your store, I will advise you to just post at least 3 times in a week and start sharing it within your customer or your family and friends, so that they can tend to understand what your brand story is all about and the product that you are selling in your store. So if you make it this far, I'll say thank you for your time. In the next video I will be talking about how you can identify or you can see all the offers that is ongoing on Sellapy. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.